friends, welcome to All Body Design. Today I'm going to show you how to transform this bodysuit into the cute dress. So I have some fabric left for my other dress that I redesigned. You can check the link below. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take the bodysuit and I'm going to mark the measurements from the shoulder to the waist. You want to make sure you measure on your child to make sure how long you want it to cut it. Next, draw the straight line. I will use my removable pen. We'll not cut it yet because we wanted to make sure we have enough space for the second ruffle to be sewed down here. For the ruffles, you can use any fabric you have or upcycle our dresses. I wanted to make sure the ruffles are same length, so I'm gonna fold it in half and then measure and then cut it same length. On your sewing machine, put the biggest step and then make a big stitches at the end. Here my ruffles are ready. I have the top and the bottom one. So to make them, you just pull one thread and make it wrinkling just like that. Next, we have to sew them on the bodysuit. Then I'm gonna place them on the bodysuit to make sure I have exactly the length I needed for my little girl. Measure from the waist on the bottom down. Now I'm ready to cut the bodysuit right here. So I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the bottom part. We are ready to sew them on. You also can use some fabric if you have on the shoulders and make ruffles on the shoulder. You can even just do the edges so it will match the skirt. You can play with fabrics as much you want. Let's start sewing the ruffle on the bottom. I'm gonna place it and then I'm gonna serge it together. The top ruffle, don't forget to serge it first. The bottom ruffle is ready and now we have to sew the second ruffle. For easier sewing, I'm gonna pin it all around. Now let's top stitch it. After all done, press it. So our dress is ready and I measure on my daughter and it looks I need to adjust it a little bit the waist, but I'm not gonna adjust it. I'm just gonna do a little pleat in the back side and then from fabric left I'm gonna create a little bow. So for that you need just like a little rectangle and then a longer ribbon, and then we're gonna hand stitch it all together, and with the smallest piece we're just gonna close and make it into a cute bow. After the bow is ready, I found the center seam and then I did it a little pleat, and then we're gonna hand stitch the bow to the dress. So our little dress is ready and she will be able to match with me and our daughter. And in the back side, as you see, we have a little pleat and the bow. If you want to see how I transformed two dresses into matching outfit for all of us, you're welcome to check the tutorial on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.